Hello, welcome to day 26 of our 28-day gratitude practice that we are doing with the help of the book called The Secret, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. Today's chapter is Magically Transform Mistakes into Blessings. Every single mistake is a blessing in disguise. Today's magical practice will prove it. So to start with today's assignment, choose a mistake that is still hurting you and then sit and find out 10 blessings that you got after committing that mistake. Ask yourself two questions. What did I learn from this mistake? What good came out of this mistake? What did I learn from this mistake? What good came out of this mistake? To learn from a mistake, you need to first own it. Stop the blame game. Don't get involved in that blame game. Until unless we take the ownership of that mistake, we will not be able to find out 10 blessings out of that mistake, 10 learnings out of that mistake. As per law of attraction, we will end up making the same mistake again and again until we learn the lesson out of it. Until we learn what that mistake is trying to teach us. You will attract such events and circumstances continuously that will hurt you, that will give you the same consequences, that will give you the same result until you learn that you should not have chosen path B, you should have chosen path A. Never be hard on yourself for have committed that mistake. When a child is learning to ride the bicycle, he falls. He or she falls and that's when they learn. Then why do you become so hard on yourself? गलती करेंगे तभी सीखेंगे. You will learn only when you commit a mistake. The thing is that you need to learn. You need to really sit and find out those 10 blessings, 10 learnings out of that mistake that is still pinching you. That mistake can be the temper that you showed to a relative or a friend and the relationship is not the same ever since. That mistake can be a white lie that you told for someone but that actually costed you more. That mistake can be choosing a cheaper option of a stuff but actually that costed you more. That mistake can be having a blind faith on someone and getting burned in return. So any decision that backfires on you can come under this assignment. Just think about it, that one mistake and you can find out so many blessings out of that. You can take out so many learnings out of that. What else guarantees dividends like that? So the format in which you have to find out the blessings or the learnings today is, I am grateful that today's assignment has to be done only for one mistake, but you can choose to continue doing this exercise if you have some more mistakes that still pinch you, because we want to get away from the negative feeling zone and come into the positive feeling zone. Apart from this exercise, you have to do count your blessing and magic rock exercise without fail. Thank you so much for coming so far with us in this journey, and another 2 days and we'll wind up this 28-day gratitude journey. Thank you so much for supporting. If you would like to be a part of my guided book reading session that is upcoming, then please feel free to ping me on Facebook in the link provided in the description box of this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.